You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Last year y'all had something different in it, didn't you?
We had just a regular, like 6-quarter enclosure in there, beef filler mag.
I remember seeing that in Sundown.
Yeah. We actually popped 2 subs the first hour at Sundown last year. So we didn't really get to play there.
Got that easy.
Well, I mean, that was before.
Yeah.
We completely redone it. I mean, it was fully gutted, fully caged.
You and what's the name did it?
Yeah.
I remember seeing the video.
Yep.
Yeah, man, y'all put in some work.
It's been a lot of work.
It don't look nothing like it used to look like.
No, they're completely different.
A lot of welding.
Very much so.
Yeah.
I was done welding. I wanted no more.
Yeah, man, y'all gotta look good, man.
We literally just loaded subs last weekend and got it tuned just past Thursday.
Oh, just got it ready.
So, yeah, I mean, literally, they didn't got an hour's time on the subs yet.
Oh, y'all still breaking in?
Everything, yeah.
Yeah. That's good seeing you, man.
And thank you.
Yes, sir.
You guys have a good one.
You too.
Still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.